Very Sephora play box, and my assistant is going to help me unbox it. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Let's do it.
Okay, hand me it. Let's see it. Hold it up. Show everyone what kind of baggie we got. Okay, let's see what it says. It says, feel the love. Okay, so, Batman, can you open the bag and pull out the first item?
Yes.
It's a trick bag.
What's your trick bag? Is it something that I have to pull?
Yes. Perfect, Batman. Pull out one item at a time.
We got.
Okay, we have Victor and Rolf. It's some perfume. So
Now I gotta.
it's Flower Bomb is the
Now I
name.
gotta get another one.
Okay, one more thing. Hand me it. Ooh, Smashbox. Smashbox
Do we
and
smash it open?
no, we do not smash it. The
Ooh.
looks like 2 eyeshadow colors, and they are Golden Hour. Golden Hour eyeshadow duo. It is turned on in sight. So here are the colors.
Yep.
They look a little muted on the camera, but I really like them. It looks like something I would
What's
wear.
a pink and brown and a blue?
Or pink and brown. Okay. Pull out the next item, please.
Batman got to this. He doesn't know what it is.
Okay, this is ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask. I am a big vitamin C mask person, so I'm excited to try this. I will say, last month I wasn't that impressed, but I did use the Glow cleanser and the eye moisturizer, and I really liked both of them. And then I went on to my profile and actually updated it with my eye
Pulling out
colors.
another
Oh,
item.
okay, Batman's pulling out another item. Let's pause this. Okay, what did you pull out, Batman? Okay, is it lipstick?
I think so. It has a whip on it.
Okay, oh, it does have a lip on it. Makeup Forever.
And this looks like the same thing.
Okay, well, let's hold tight. Artistic Rouge. Actually, this is for your cheeks, Batman. But if you want to put it on your lips, that's fine. Okay, hold on, one at a time.
This is lipstick.
I'm going to open this so we can see what's inside.
I'm gonna open this.
Well, okay, hold on. So, I'm excited about this stuff. I would say, this month's box is much better. And Batman, let's see this. No, let's see.
I'm not gonna-
Okay, well, let's show him the box.
Okay.
Well, you can open it. That's fine. You open it and take out the item, and I will show the box.
Okay. I need to take this out of my...
Okay, this is also Sephora Rouge Matte. So, are they both? Oh, I lost one. Let me see. Okay.
Looks
Okay.
like an antidote.
Or it could be Batman's antidote. We don't know. Okay, what else? Is there anything else in the bag, Batman?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what the next item is.
I'm feeling around. This is
Filling
the
around. Last item. Okay.
last item.
Okay.
And I think it's a white bulb or something. What is this?
Oh, a light bulb. Light bulb or moisturizing eye balm, essential eye cream. So
I have crime to fight.
you have a crime to fight? Do you need to leave? Okay. Could you
I
see
have
if
hope to fight.
Okay, could you see if there's anything else in that box?
Let's work this.
Okay.
No more to fight. Ho. When you smash.
Okay. Batman had to go fight, so I'm going to read up on this month's items. So we got another 50 points beauty insider points to play. And then this looks like a game. I don't know how that works. Feel the love this month. We're celebrating beauty loves and just can't live without, like the flattering lipstick and skincare. Okay, so. Oh, they are both lipsticks. One is a very good idea, the Sephora collection, and the other one is Makeup Forever, the Artistic Rouge. So these items I'm more impressed with than I was last month. So here is the sheet, and it's a little up close, but I'm definitely more excited because I think it's actually makeup items that I will